Good day. In this video we are going to look at more instances of vowel coalescence or the merging of vowels, and we are going to use first of all the connective na to express and that na is going to merge with the first vowel of the noun in order to express and. So here we have three nouns, utata, uJohn and umfundi, and we read as follows: umama notata, uSam noJohn, utitshala nomfundi. So that na has now become no. Here we have three nouns beginning with I: ikati, ikofu, isepa, inja nekati, iti nekofu, amanzi nesepa. And here our na has become ne. And then we have three nouns beginning with a: isepa namanzi, utitshala nabafundi, izitya namaxephe. And from the meanings we can see we've expressed and here our na has merged with the other a. The two, in other words, have become one. So we note, as I've said, that the a-u combination becomes o, the a-i combination becomes e, and the a-a combination becomes a. So that was a series of examples expressing and. That na can also be used to express with or in the company of, as in ndisebenza no Mike, ndihamba nenja yam, umama uthetha nentombi. Right, so there we have no, ne and ne, and much the same thing can be expressed using the little word kunye, which is followed by na. So ndisebenza kunye no Mike. Instead of saying I work with Mike, you are saying I work together with Mike. Another example: ndithanda ukuya kwiholide kunye nosapho. I like to go on holiday together with my family. So we are working with na, and it has been used to express and with. And here we have examples of how it is used to express have, possession. Ndinomsebenzi, baneselfoni, unamandla. Have, has, no with umsebenzi, ne with iselfoni, and na with amandla. Do not have also comes into the picture, and here we read, and it is quite interesting to see what happens here. Andinam sebenzi, imoto ayina petroli, and andina mali. I do not have work, car has no fuel, and I have no money. And here the do not have is merely expressed by na. So there is no vowel coalescence when expressing do not have. Sticking with na, expressing far and near also uses this particular little link as follows: ndihlala kude nesikolo, so it's kude na and isikolo, kude nesikolo. Umntwana uhlala kude nabazali, far from the parents. Kumnandi ukuhlala kufuphi nolwandle. It is nice staying near the sea. So kude and kufuphi are followed by na. Here are some exceptions when we connect two places. And as you know, words referring to place, the locative begins with e. We have the following. So ekhaya nasesikolweni. So we have na and esikolweni. E-ofisini nasekhaya, in the office and at home. E-Shoprite nase Pick and Pay. Pick and Pay and Shoprite. And here from the examples we can see that there is no vowel change or vowel merging, but the na is separated from the e by means of s. Na se, na se, na se. What happens when there is no second vowel? In other words, when na is used together with a word that does not begin with a vowel. we have these examples. NgoMvulo nangoLwesibini, on Monday and Tuesday. NgoJanuwari nangoJuni, in January and June. Ngo1 nango10, at 1 o'clock and at 10 o'clock. And because there is no other vowel, the link na remains unchanged.